In the heart of the Middle East lies Jerusalem, a city shrouded in mystery, faith, and conflict. A city claimed by three of the world's great religions, it has seen empires rise and fall, revolutions ignite, and miracles unfold. Today we unravel the enigmatic history of Jerusalem, diving deep into its spiritual significance and its role in shaping the world. But one question lingers. Why does the world's gaze remain fixed on this ancient city? Stay tuned, because the answers will leave you speechless. Jerusalem's story begins thousands of years ago. For the ancient Israelites, it was the land promised by God. King David established it as the capital, and his son Solomon built the first great temple, a sacred place that housed the Ark of the Covenant. But this was only the beginning of Jerusalem's journey, one marked by both glory and destruction. In 586 BCE, the Babylonians destroyed the temple and exiled the Israelites. Decades later, under Persian rule, the Second Temple was built, a moment of redemption. But even as hope returned, new powers loomed on the horizon. Little did they know, this temple would witness the arrival of the most profound figure in human history. In the first century, Jerusalem was under Roman rule. Here, Jesus of Nazareth preached his revolutionary message of love and salvation. The city became the backdrop for his final days, the triumphal entry, the Last Supper, and his crucifixion. His resurrection would transform the city into the epicenter of Christianity, but Jerusalem's trials were far from over. In 637 CE, Jerusalem fell to Muslim armies led by Caliph Umar. Far from destruction, it became a city of enlightenment, with the construction of the Dome of the Rock, commemorating the Prophet Muhammad's night journey. But as faith flourished, tensions simmered. Jerusalem was about to become the stage for one of the bloodiest conflicts in history. In 1099, European crusaders marched into Jerusalem, determined to reclaim the holy city. The streets ran red with blood as they seized it from Muslim control, marking one of the darkest chapters in its history. But the tides of power shifted again, with the rise of a legendary Muslim leader, Saladin. Saladin reclaimed Jerusalem in 1187, ushering in a new era of tolerance. Unlike the Crusaders, he allowed Christians and Jews to worship freely, a testament to his wisdom and leadership. But could this fragile peace last? Fast forward to the 20th century. After centuries of Ottoman rule, World War I brought Jerusalem under British control. In 1948, the creation of Israel ignited a series of wars, dividing the city yet again. Decades later, Jerusalem remains at the heart of one of the world's most complex and contentious conflicts. Today, Jerusalem stands as a symbol of hope and division. Pilgrims from around the world come to pray, but political tensions and territorial disputes cast a shadow over its ancient stones. Jerusalem has come to represent the best and worst of humanity: faith, resilience, but also conflict. As we look to its future, the question remains: will Jerusalem unite us or divide us further? The answer, perhaps, lies within us all. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. If this story captivated you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories of the world's most fascinating places. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep believing.